Okay, so for these problems, you kind of have to figure out, am I going to multiply what they want? Do we add? Do we subtract? So setting up the equation is probably going to be the hardest. So if we look at number one, it says you have a balance of $152 and then you want to reduce your balance. So reduce usually means to subtract. Hold on, I need to get in Cami. All right, there we go. So reduce means to subtract. So you're going to think like, okay, I'll take my total and I'm going to take off what I pay, and that's going to give me my new total. Oops, sorry, I ran off my paper. Okay, so I think, okay, I've got $152. I'm going to take off whatever I pay, and then I want to be left with $50. Now, this says no more than 50, so 50 needs to be the biggest that you have left. So I put the big part of the inequality by that 50. And since I can also equal 50, I can put the bar there. All right, so once you set that up, it's probably going to be a lot easier to solve. So I'm going to go ahead and solve it. Let's get a different color. Let's do red. So then I'll subtract 152 from both sides. So we're left with negative p is less than or equal to negative 102, and then divide by negative 1. So you get p, and since we divided by negative, our inequality symbol switches. Okay? So, let's look at number 3. So, wait, all right, so let's look at number 4. I want one that was like least. Okay, so you're going on a field trip, members will be riding vans, and they each hold 9 people. So I kind of have like the number in my thoughts. I've got the number of vans times the number of people, and then that's going to give me my total number of people. Total people. Okay, so it says what is the least number of vans? So I don't know how many vans we have, and then each van holds 9 people, and then they want at least 36 total. So that means 36 is the smallest, so you're going to put the small part by that 36, and we can also equal it. Okay, so then to solve this, you would divide both sides by 9. Since it's positive, you don't reverse. So I need more than or the same equal to 4 vans. Okay, so if that doesn't help, I will send you a Google Meet invite and we can do all of them together. Okay.